world. This is me taking over the bathroom. I am going to attempt to kill this big ass roach. Kyle, say hi to the camera. Say hi, Kyle. Did you see that in the corner? Alright. This is what I'm gonna use. Alright. It's sedated. It looks like it's dying. Let me zoom in for you guys. How's it looking? Just in case. Alright. And that, my friends, is how you do it.